What's up, flawless gang? So I'm back with a brand new video. So we're starting off with a new install today, and we're working with Ishowbeauty. So first they just sent over a wig cap, and then just a brochure for their company. But let's go ahead and get into these details for this hair. So they first sent me over this 613 beautiful frontal wig. I love this hair so much. It is also 26 inches, 180 density. This is the longest wig I've ever reviewed on my channel, and I'm so excited because I love long hair. But you guys know how I start my installs off. You guys have been here for a minute. I start with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I love this stuff. It's so good, and it just matches the skin tone so much better than a lot of other tints that you use. But I've come to realize I really am starting to hate cutting the wig cap and just like gluing it on my skin. I don't know, I'm just starting to hate it. But I honestly have been doing this and it's been giving scalp every time. So I'm just sticking to what I want to do, and maybe I'll get back into cutting the wig cap. I don't know. I just don't be feeling like it, but I'm just tinting the wig right now with that foundation just so that it does blend a little better with my skin, because the knots on 613 hair can be white, so it'll just, you know, mute it and be more melted. But y'all know I'm about to let you guys keep on watching to see how I installed it. But without further ado, I'll come back in a little minute. I'm gonna let you guys keep on watching to see what I'm doing. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Alright, y'all, so I'm about to give you guys the review for the hair. So I absolutely love this wig. It was so nice, and just the lace on this was beautiful. It melted so effortlessly into my skin. Like, it melted like it was coming out of my scalp. I love it. The quality of the hair was really good as well. This is 180 density, so it does have some great weight and thickness to it, so that was a plus. And also, it is 613 hair, so this did shed a lot more than black hair just because it is super bleached. So just be mindful and be careful when you guys are washing and stuff. I noticed that when I was washing it, it was like shedding like crazy. So just be careful when you guys are brushing and combing the 613 hair, because it is going to come out a lot quicker than black. But nonetheless, the quality of this hair was beautiful. It straightened so nice. I did use a good conditioner when I was shampooing and stuff, just so it gets some hydration, because with it being super bleached, it's going to be really brittle and dry if you don't, give it some type of hydration. So use a good conditioner, you'll be just perfectly fine. Even a good leave-in conditioner will be good as well. But I love this hair, y'all. This hair is beautiful. Like, y'all see the lace, and like the bust down middle part did it for me. I love it. Definitely 10 out of 10. I highly recommend Ishowbeauty. They are Shalisha Marie approved. I do love this hair so much. I cannot wait to take pictures. Like, y'all, it's crazy. I've been looking at myself in the mirror like I'm really blind. Like, this is so different than what I've done on my channel. I've done brown, I've done, burgundy, but like blonde, this is so different, but I am here for it, and I love it. I cannot wait to take my pictures. I have an idea what I want to do. I kind of want to do like a 90s theme, like get the big chunky earrings and just, have a lollipop. I kind of want to do something like that and have this pink jumpsuit on. I think it's going to be so cute. and I just living for it. So I will have this information for the hair below so you guys can check it out. This is definitely worth the buy, guys. This hair is awesome and the quality of this is just beautiful. So I will have everything below for Ishowbeauty so you guys can check it out and see their website. They have some awesome hair selections, black hair as well. Like their closures and their frontals are really, really good as well. So love this hair, guys. Definitely a winner for some 613 hair that is just great quality. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That is the end of this install. I hope you guys are loving the new quality of these wigs. I really do love the way I am installing them. I'm just getting so much better with just, you know, the application of my wigs, and I'm really starting to perfect this craft because I just generally love it, and it makes me so happy doing hair. Like, it just really is happy. I found my second, like, favorite thing to do, you know. It's like so cool to find out different talents you're not, you know, knowing you're good at, but you really turn out to be good. So this is awesome. But yes, I will have some more videos coming for you guys. I have some maintenance vlogs coming. I have some question and answers, and I have some also lookbooks coming. So stay tuned. We're gonna still do hair videos. I want you guys to know I'm still gonna do the videos you guys want. I'm gonna do, you know, sporadic hair videos every now and then throughout the month, but I'm going to, you know, give you guys the content you guys want to see. So this is just the start. I do have other videos coming besides just hair, so stay tuned. But I love you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay tuned. I hope you guys are enjoying the video, and I hope you guys stick around for more content. And also, if you are part of the gang, what's up, y'all? Y'all already know I love you guys so much. Also, follow me on all my social media. Everything is below. That's where you guys can find me when I'm not on YouTube. And of course, hit your post notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. But with all that being said, I'm about to get out of here, y'all. I love you guys so much. I'm about to actually go film another video right now for you guys. So I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys back in my next video very soon. Bye, everyone. Mwah.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.